In this brand new video, you will now discover another data type, tuples. Be sure to stick around, and watch until the end of this video, if you want to discover various actions and methods that you can perform on tuples, and practice with an exercise. Please, do not forget to smash that like button, for the YouTube algorithm, since it does really help supporting us, and providing new free content, once a week. Are you interested to be part of this community? All the links are in the description below. Now, let's play this video. Removing an item. Tuples cannot be modified, because they are immutable. So, obviously, you cannot directly delete any item, either. But, the same way you did with updating an item, you can convert the tuple into a list, delete an item, then convert the list back into a tuple. And if you do not need your tuple anymore, you can completely delete the tuple itself, using the del keyword. If you liked this video, please, do not forget to give a thumb up, and subscribe our channel. Digital Academy, learn free. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Like, comment, and share.